Hello, WordPress folks, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss how to access and edit WordPress files without an FTP client. That's right. We won't be using any of the FTP clients available in the market, and we will only rely on a powerful file manager plugin, Filester. Wondering how to do it? Well, let's get started. First things first. Let's talk a little bit about Filester. Filester is a popular file manager plugin for WordPress. Since the tool comes with a drag-and-drop editor, modifying your core files or any template files would be handy. With the advanced code editor, you can easily change the core files. You also have total control over the files and can perform tasks like moving, copying, uploading, renaming, duplicating, deleting, and so on. Now you understand how Filester can help you with certain tasks. Next, let's see how to access and edit WordPress files with this awesome tool. The first thing you need to do is install and activate Filester on your website. To do that, go to Add New Plugins section and search for Filester. Once you have found the tool, install it. The installation will take a few seconds. After the installation, you can activate the tool. The installation part is now completed. Next, let's see how to access and edit WordPress files with Filester. After successful activation, you can see the plugin settings on the left-hand side of your WordPress dashboard. As you can see, once you have opened the plugin settings, it will show you every folder and file you have on your server. Here, you can see core folders such as WordPress admin, WordPress content, WordPress includes, and the files like config.php, htaccess, comments.php, and so on. If you need to open a folder, all you need to do is select a folder and double-click on it. You can go through every directory you have on the server through Filester. You will also see the folder structure on the left-hand side of the panel. If you need to go to a specific folder, use this structure to navigate. This is how you can access WordPress files without third-party FTP tools. Next, let's see how to edit them. You can edit files using the Filester plugin. The tool has an inbuilt code editor, making the code editing process a cakewalk. Here's how you can do it. First, select the file you need to tweak. In this case, we will modify the WordPress config file. Once you have selected the file of your choice, right-click on it. You will see multiple options, such as previewing the file, downloading it, duplicating, deleting, etc. If you scroll to the bottom, you can see the Edit File button. Filester supports multiple code editors such as ACE Editor, CodeMirror, and TextArea. You can pick an editor based on your preferences. In this case, we will use ACE Editor. With a second, the code editor will be loaded with all the contents of the WordPress config file. Now, let's add some code to the file. Scroll to the bottom where it says, "That's all, stop editing. Happy publishing." Before the line, we will paste a snippet like that. This way, you can tweak the WordPress configuration file and add custom code. Next, let's check out how to edit the htaccess file of your WordPress or WooCommerce installation. The htaccess file can be found under where you have installed the CMS. Hence, go to the directory where you have installed the WordPress CMS. In this case, we have installed WordPress on our public HTML directory. Now, you can see all the available options if you perform right-click on the file. From there, choose the edit option as we did earlier. You can also choose an editor based on your preference. The file will be opened in the selected editor. You can make all the modifications from there. In this case, we will add a code to disable directory browsing in WordPress. Paste the code to the end of the file and hit save. This way, you can edit the htaccess file in WordPress without using any third-party FTP clients. Here's another situation where Filester can get helpful. If you are experiencing any issues with a specific plugin and need support from the official team, you should send the particular plugin's files. By default, WordPress won't allow such things. The only thing you can do is check out the plugin's files through the editor. You should get Filester when you need to download specific files to your local storage. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to download the plugin files correctly. First, go to the plugins folder. The folder can be found inside the WordPress content directory. Select the plugin you need to download. In this case, we are going to download the Akismet plugin. Right-click on the plugins folder and select Download from the option. Filester creates a zip archive with all the plugins files. The process could take a few seconds or minutes. So sit back and relax. After the tool creates the zip archive, you can save it to your local storage. That's it. This is how you can access and edit WordPress files with Filester. As you can see, with a powerful plugin like Filester, making changes to WordPress files is a cakewalk. If you have other questions or need to learn WordPress from scratch, be sure to check out our other videos on this channel. We will release a video every week, so remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.